Hello guys, this is my review of the TrustFire 13,000 Lumen flashlight. In the package I received the flashlight, 3 batteries, 3 tubes, 2 smaller batteries, the charger, the cable and the Europe adapter for the charger. Okay, so I can start off by telling you that these batteries, if you fully discharge them, it takes about 6 to 7 hours to recharge them, and the charger will have red light until the batteries are finished, and it will turn green and it will turn off itself, so you don't have to worry about the batteries burning up or anything. Okay, so you might want to see the specs of the TrustFire charger, so I will show you a picture now. Okay, so if you read that, you know that this charger will take different batteries, and for that you need different voltage. So you have here a switch to switch between, and you also saw on the picture that which batteries it can charge. So why do you need these tubes for? It's actually for if you have these smaller batteries. They're the same voltage, but probably less discharge rate and milliamps. But this will work fine. You just have this tube and put it in the flashlight, and these are actually the same size of this ordinary battery. And the charger will also take these batteries. So I also bought another battery from TrustFire, and this is 6,000 milliamps. The one I received from the package was 5,000 milliamps. And for these who don't know, more milliamps let the battery last longer. But for some reason this battery makes the flashlight not as bright as with the original ones. So I have a comparison later on in the review. You will see how different these are in brightness. So I do recommend, if you want to buy more batteries, go with the original ones. So these batteries are 5,000 milliamp hours. That's 5 amp an hour. Or if your flashlight draws 1 amp, it can last for 5 hours. So I will show you now some amp draws of this flashlight. Okay, so the amp draw on full is about 3.6. Medium we have about 1.1, and low we have about 0.4. The strobe we have about 1.7. So without thinking about these numbers we got, I did a test, and I took fully charged batteries and turned it on, and with the max effect it took about 1 hour before it turned off. In medium effect it took about 4 hours, and in low effect it took about 6 hours. And that's very close to the numbers we got. So I was very curious when I bought this one how big it was. So the overall length is 33 centimeters, and the wideness is 33 millimeters, and here in the front is 77 millimeters. So is this waterproofed? I do not think so. It's definitely water resistant, but I do not recommend using this underwater or anything like that. So now we'll go out and show you how bright this is. I'm using the GoPro camera, and that camera is not too good of taking up light, so but that's what I have, so yeah. Okay, now I'm outside. Let's see how bright this flashlight is. Pretty damn bright. It lights up everything. I'm not sure if you can see, but that's about 600 meters, and I can at least see the trees lighting up pretty good. See this whole area lights up. Okay, so we have full, medium, and low. Strobe and SOS. And back to bright. It pretty much lights up everything. You can compare this light to the bright light on a car, if you got good original lights. You will probably not see the full effect, but I can tell you this is very bright. So as you saw, the flashes was very bright. Something that I don't like is that you cannot use 2 batteries in this one. You really need to use 3 batteries, because there will be there's no lights if you use 2. And if you go maximum mode, it will get very hot. Here in the front, it will be about 80 to 90 degrees Celsius if you're having it on for about 1 hour like I had. But here where you're holding it, there's no problem. You don't need to worry about that. I told you earlier in the video that I would do a comparison between the original batteries and these other batteries that I bought. So here it comes. So here I have the originals, the batteries that came with the package. Okay, so here I have the other batteries I bought. Not even close as bright as the stock one, the original ones. So as you saw, these batteries ain't for some reason not as bright as the original ones. So as I told you before, but if you buy more batteries, go with the original ones. The finish on this one is very good. There is no cheaply made paint job, so you don't have to worry about paint coming off. I will also do a comparison between these 3 lights. I have a TrustFire with 180 lumen, a TrustFire with 3800 lumens, and this TrustFire with 13,000 lumens. Okay, so now we disassemble this to let you know how many parts it has. Okay, so in all the threads you have a O-ring that prevents water from getting in or any debris. And here side you can see it's not much, but that's how it looks like. Very simple. Okay, so this was my review of the TrustFire 13,000 lumen flashlight. I recommend this to anyone who wants a nice bright flashlight, and you will not be disappointed. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and I will try to answer them. So comment, rate and subscribe, and have a nice day. And before you leave, I will show you some close-up picture of this flashlight.